Today I am going to tell you amazing facts about peacock. Peacocks are large and colorful birds known for their extravagant tail feathers. The term peacock is used for the male of the species, while the females are called peahens. The collective term for a group of peafowl is a party or a pride. Peacocks are native to South Asia, including India, Sri Lanka, and parts of Southeast Asia. The vibrant, iridescent colors of a peacock's tail feathers are due to microscopic crystal-like structures that reflect and refract light. These tail feathers or trains can reach up to 6 feet in length. Peacock use their colorful tails in courtship displays to attract peahens. Despite their large size and intricate appearance, peacock feathers are surprisingly lightweight. Peacocks are omnivores, feeding on a diet of plants, insects, and small animals. They are ground-dwelling birds, but they can fly short distances. The Indian peafowl is the most well-known species of peacock. During the monsoon season, peacocks often engaging in dancing to celebrate the rain and attract mates. The lifespan of a peacock in the wild is around 15 to 20 years. Domesticated peafowl have been known to live as long as 40 to 50 years. The peacock's scientific name, Pavo cristatus, means crested peafowl. Peacocks are tough on snakes. It is not widely known, but peacocks don't like snakes. Peacocks build their nests on the ground. The peacock is the world's largest flying bird. Peacock cannot swim. Peacocks love to play games. It is easy to get hold of a peacock feathers. Peacock is one of the most beautiful birds on the earth. Peacocks usually has a blue color and its feathers have a mixture of blue, green and golden colors. In Islam, the peacock is a creature from paradise. Just as there are several creatures from paradise, and their story also is very interesting in the time of Adam alayhi salam, because the peacock was one of the creatures that could go in and out from the paradise. So the peacock is interpreted as a bird of paradise that has been introduced as the gatekeeper and guide of the people to heaven. Rich in vitamins, peacock meat is a good source of vitamin B6, B12, potassium and iron. Low in cholesterol, good for a low-fat diet. Peacock is one of the most beautiful creatures of the earth. Peacock looks beautiful in their colorful feathers. Peacocks looks lovely when they dance in the rain. Peacock likes clouds very much. Peacocks loves to live in the gardens and the forest. I hope you like these amazing and colorful facts about peacock. If you like, then subscribe, share this video. See you in next video. Thank you.